I go on and put it together, did a full rough draft real quick to make sure everything was gonna fit the way I was calculating it to, and it did. I just gotta put the transmission back in, but I put the roll cage back in with the wing, and that's how I want the body to sit. I just did the trimming on the wheel well. I got the tires deep as you can get them, and they still in the wheel well perfect on both sides. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Bringing to you the first in the world convertible genuine HPI barging 5B. Braap braap.